Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Frankfurt. Local time, 3 minutes after 7 a.m. We ask that you remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and your cabin baggage stowed until the aircraft comes to a final stop in front of the terminal and the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Air Canada Flight 838 ends here. We ask that you take all your personal belongings with you when leaving the aircraft, and if you require assistance deplaning, remain seated. We'll be more than glad to help you as soon as the aisle is free. On behalf of the captain and the entire crew, we'd like to welcome you to Frankfurt. We wish you a very nice day. We thank you for choosing Air Canada, United Airlines, all our Star Alliance partners. Ladies and gentlemen, for those of you who have connections here in Frankfurt,